Good day, everyone. We are broadcasting live from the nation's capital here in Ottawa, Ontario. Very excited to be here with you today. This is our very first broadcast using Periscope and Twitter. Thank you for joining. Before getting into the content, we'll wait a bit to get more people joined. So a bit about myself to get started here. My name is Asif Wasti. I'm a trade advisor at Export Development Canada, EDC. It is a financially self-sustaining crown corporation that offers insurance, financial services, bonding products, and small business solutions to Canadian exporters, investors, and their international buyers. Since our founding, we have facilitated more than 1.3 trillion in exports and foreign investment by Canadian companies. That's something we're very proud of here at EDC. As a trade advisor, my passion is really to help Canadian businesses go, grow, and succeed internationally. I enjoy communicating with businesses on a daily basis to learn about their passion for why they do what they do. It's truly inspirational and enhances my perspective on all that Canada has to offer. So the purpose of today's stream broadcast is to create awareness of a new online product offered by EDC. This product is available for Canadian businesses who sell their products or services outside of Canada's borders. Now, throughout this broadcast, should any of you have any questions, please send me a message on Periscope or on Twitter. Now, some of you may be thinking, is credit insurance relevant to me? Why would I want to learn about this? Well, let me tell you, if you are a company selling a product or service outside of Canada, you are taking on risk. It's as simple as that. As a Canadian business, you may not be thinking about the risks of international business because you're too focused on landing that new customer. This is where EDC comes in. We are here to help you identify the risks and help mitigate them. Now let's think about this for a minute. What if your customer goes bankrupt? What if your customer refuses to pay the invoice? What if your customer is unable to pay you because they can't access or exchange funds in their country due to political disruption? Have you thought of the implications this can have on your business's cash flow? Would this loss affect your ability to repay your suppliers? As you can see, one bad debt can have a domino effect on your business. Now I'd like to introduce Trade Protect Credit Insurance. This is EDC's first web-based credit insurance offering, available 24/7 for your convenience. It is an online product that protects Canadian companies from the risk of non-payment by your customer. And the entire process can be put in place in as little as 10 minutes. You'll be covered up to 90% of your losses should your customer not pay after receiving your product or service. This is a great tool to test out a new customer or extend payment terms to win a new deal, knowing you're backed up by our credit insurance tool. You can be more competitive by offering more flexible payment terms and not have to ask your customer for upfront payment every time. Trade Protect Credit Insurance gives you that peace of mind to focus on growing your business, knowing that EDC, Export Development Canada, is here to support you. Now, for all of you viewers out there who want to register your company for free on the Trade Protect portal, please go ahead and click on the URL included in my pinned tweet on my Twitter page. Also, for any assistance, feel free to send me a message on Periscope or on Twitter. Here are some additional pointers to keep in mind when considering Trade Protect credit insurance. The goods or services you are selling to your customer must be exported from Canada. The payment terms you are extending to your customers must not exceed 180 days. The maximum credit limit you can obtain for a customer is $500,000 Canadian or US. You can apply to insure shipments you will make or services you will render over the next 90 or 180 days. So Trade Protect really offers you two options for coverage. You can choose a 3-month block or a 6-month block. Please note that shipments made prior to application date are ineligible for coverage. Trade Protect involves a one-time premium as well, which is paid upfront by credit card should you choose to accept our offer. So no hidden costs here. And to register onto our online portal is absolutely free. So you really have nothing to lose here, but a lot to gain. Now, how to register and apply? Basically, as I mentioned earlier, click on the URL on my pinned tweet on my Twitter page. This will redirect you on the Trade Protect landing page. If you have any questions also, feel free to send me a message on Twitter or on Periscope. So once you've landed on that registration page, simply select on Sign Up. And once again, this is absolutely free. No hidden costs here. You'll be asked to enter basic information on your company to register your profile. Once you follow these steps to register, you now have the ability to log in at your convenience 24/7 with your username and designated password, and you can simply request insurance coverage against a buyer outside of Canada. It's as simple as that. By logging in onto the self-serve web platform, you can easily manage your account 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And when you're ready to ship, you can simply log in and apply your coverage request, and it could be processed in as little as 10 minutes. So Trade Protect is really simple, fast, and flexible. So go ahead. It's free to register your company onto the portal, no hidden costs, and you can even get coverage in a few minutes. Should you want to try out this great online tool, simply click on the URL on my pinned tweet in Twitter. You can also send me a message on Twitter for any questions or any support. Happy to help out in any way I can. Now, this is our first live broadcast, and we plan on doing more in the near future. So please follow me on Twitter for any updates. Now, a few takeaways before I end from today's broadcast. Trade Protect is an online credit insurance offering, accessible 24/7. It's free to register onto the portal, and there are no hidden costs. So simple, accessible, and a very helpful, useful tool to help you go, grow, and succeed internationally. Now, thank you all for listening today. I hope you found the information useful. I wanted to give a great shout out to my team, Carrie Langelier, Jennifer Sommerfeld, and Angela Pigeon. I couldn't do this without you, so thank you for your support. Asif Wasli here, signing off of Periscope. Until next time, have yourself a great day.